Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today I will be going over 5 different soaps that live in my existing Chemical Guys arsenal, and I will be explaining to you exactly what they do, why they benefit you, and why you should use them. Let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and start off with Clean Slate on my far right. The reason why Clean Slate is my arsenal personally is because whenever it comes to that time of year, it's time to reapply a glaze, sealant, ceramic, or glaze onto my truck personally. I want to strip off everything so I can make sure my paint is bare, and the next coat of glazes, sealants, or waxes that I apply on my paint is gonna go ahead and bond properly and last as long as possible. Also, Clean Slate can be used on a foam cannon, foam blaster, or even just a 2-bucket method system. It does not foam up like any other traditional soap on this side, but it will still get the job done and remove everything that's on your paint. So I would recommend starting off with Clean Slate whenever you're gonna do a full detail from start to finish. And that, I mean, by starting off with a wash, you clay it, you polish it, you ceramic coat it, you glaze it, seal it, and you wax it. So that's why I recommend you guys start off or get your hands on Clean Slate, so you guys, whenever you guys start off a new detail, you always start off right and allow the proper bond to your vehicle. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to Mr. Pink. Mr. Pink is one of my favorite soaps for maintenance washes. By that, I mean, I just wanna foam it up, rub it down, and that's it. Mr. Pink is gonna deliver gloss enhancers to my paint. It's gonna go ahead and remove all the dirt and grime safely as possible because it foams up amazing. And nonetheless, it could be used in a foam cannon, foam blaster, and 2-bucket method system. But I personally love Mr. Pink, just that quick maintenance wash, get the pressure washer out, foam it up, rub it down, that's it. It's just a basic maintenance soap. Now we're moving on to Extreme Body Wash and Wax. Extreme Body Wash and Wax is a big key factor in my arsenal. This thing always goes missing from my arsenal because my dad personally loves a single soap that does it all. And by that, I mean you wash it and you wax it at the same time. Extreme Body Wash and Wax actually has 2 different types of waxes. It has a synthetic man-made wax in it, and it has a carnauba Brazilian wax in it. This is gonna go ahead and enhance any paint color to its max. If you have an orange, it's gonna make it a very warm looking shine, versus if you have a black color car, it's gonna give it that cool, amazing shine. It is a little bit weird. It's actually, I love this color, because it looks like brownish purple, but that is because it has a wax in it. It has 2 waxes in it, don't forget about that. And same exact thing as these other 2 soaps, and any of our soaps, you can still use it on your bucket method system, your foam blaster, and your foam cannon system. So this is why I recommend going with Extreme Body Wash and Wax, just in case you want to get 2 steps out of the way and just wash it, wax it, and you're good to go. And now we're moving on to Citrus Washing Gloss. Citrus Washing Gloss is actually one of my favorite soaps. Why? Because it's super concentrated. This is why it splits. There's a bottom gloss and there's a top. So whenever you're actually using Citrus Washing Gloss, be sure to always shake it up until you get this amazing yellow color. Once it's like that, go ahead and use it. The Citrus Washing Gloss is my favorite to use on very, very, very dirty cars. You could also use it like on ATVs, you could use it on like work trucks, something that is very filthy and you just want to simply wash it, get everything off safely as possible. Go with Citrus Washing Gloss. Just be careful with Citrus Washing Gloss because it may strip off your glazes, sealants, or waxes. I forgot to say about these 2. These 2 are actually pH neutral and they will not damage any coatings that are on your car. But on this hand, just be safe. Use 1 ounce to prevent any stripping. Anything more than 2 to 3 ounces, you may strip something off your surface of your vehicle. So this is for very, very heavy duty cleaning. And now we're gonna go ahead and review HydroSuds. HydroSuds is one of my favorite soaps that I personally go to other than Mr. Pink. The reason why, my truck is ceramic coated, and by that I mean it has a ceramic with durable properties. It's very hydrophobic. If it rains, my truck sits outside, it just beads everywhere. So I need a soap that will go ahead and protect my ceramic coating, allow the beads to stay, and rejuvenate them. So HydroSuds actually has SiO2 infused properties in it that's gonna go ahead and infuse my ceramic coating that's hydrocharged and hydroslick that's on my paint and bring it back to its hydrophobic properties that just once was. This is why we stressed it out to you guys. Go ahead and maintain your glazes, sealants, waxes, ceramics with a soap. If you have a ceramic, I recommend going with HydroSuds. If you just have a glaze, sealant, wax, you could go with Mr. Pink or Extreme Body Wash and Wax. They're gonna go ahead and maintain it. But HydroSuds is very liquidy. You might say, Henry, does it foam? But it foams amazing. You could use it in your foam blaster, foam cannon, and you'll see the amazing suds it produces. And as you're wiping them down, it's very slick, very sleek, and it removes everything out of the surface properly. It does not install any scratches and swirls if you proper the following steps. By that, I mean going in linear motions, never in circular. We do have a YouTube channel that has over 1,500 videos on it. Be sure to check them out and you might find a video on how to properly wash your car. But on this occasion, I only review these 5 soaps. If you guys want me to review the rest of the soap line from CG, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time right here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage.